This video is all about finding the angle C when side A is given as root 2 plus 1 and side B is given as root 2 minus 1 and side C is given as root 5. Now we are asked to find the angle C. So now let's begin. Now to find angle C, we're going to use the cosine rule. Now let's say you have a diagram of this triangle like this. You have this is A, this is your B, this is your C. Do your small letter C, small letter B, small letter A. Now the cosine of C will now be A squared plus B squared minus C squared divided by 2AB. That is, you're saying per se that this is, now you're looking for this. The square of this plus the square of this minus the square of this divided by 2 times this, the product of this and this. That is what we just said. Now we have A to be what? The square root of 2 plus 1, B to be the square root of 2 minus 1, and C to be the square root of what? 5. So now let's say now, because C will now be equal to the square root of 2 plus 1 all squared plus the square root of 2 minus 1 all squared minus the square root of 5 all squared divided by 2 times the square root of 2 plus 1 times the square root of 2 minus 1. So now let's say now just equals C. If we open up this bracket, we have the square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 times the square root of 2 times what? 1. Plus the same with this, you have the square root of 2 all squared plus minus 1 all squared minus 2 times the square root of 2, then minus the square root of 2, the square root of 5 all squared is equal to what? 5. So just say 5 here. All over this 2 times, now this square root of 2 plus 1 times the square root of 2 minus 1. These two, they are conjugates of each other. So they are conjugate pair. So since they are conjugate pair, what you're going to do is just you say this times this minus this times this. That is that square root of 2 times square root of 2 will give you 2 minus 1. So this will give you, okay, so not enter here. Let's go to this other side. Let's say cos C will now be equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 minus 5 all over 2 times 2 minus 1. So this is the same with this, to cancel out because they have different signs, so they will cancel out. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 6 minus 5 divided by, this is 2 times 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 2 times 1. So this will give you 1 all over 2. So that means cos C is equal to what? 1 all over 2. So C is equal to cos minus 1. So now let's look at now. Here is 60, here is 2, here is 1, here is root 2. So cos inverse of half will give us what? 60 degree, meaning that C is equal to what? 60 degree. So that is the angle of C. So thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.